Lunch with a beautiful view. $1 million view.
We just had our fabulous lunch prepared by Maggie and finished everything. This is Lake Pukaki. It is a primary storage lake for the 6 hydro power station Meridian owns and operates on the Waitaki hydro scheme. So this lake, as you can see here, is turquoise in color. And right at the center there, you can see Mount Cook. Isn't this a gorgeous sight? I'm now at Lake Pukaki. This is the largest lake among the 3 lakes, Lake Ohau and Lake Tekapo. We're just beneath Mount Cook.